Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 8 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 8 maths. There you can find the list of the chapters. So we're going to start with the chapter geometric measurements, and the lessons we are going to cover today are geometric measurements, and the lessons we are going to cover today are surface area of cylinders and cones, volume of cylinders and cones, volume of spheres, and surface area of spheres. So let's just start with the first lesson, that is surface area of cylinders and cones. Let me just write down the lesson name and then we'll start. Surface area of cylinders and cones. Okay, here I am on grade 8 maths. Chapter name is geometric measurement, and the lesson we're going to start is surface area of cylinders and cones. So let's just start with the lesson. Okay, let's start with the test examples. Okay, so the first one is, what is the surface area of the cone? So first we have to find the surface area of the cone. So you are given with the radius, that is 3, and the height of the slant height of the cone, that is 6 meters. Got it? So radius is 3 and the height is 6. So first of all you have to find the area of the base. The circular portion is the base of the cone. Got it? So you have to find the area of the base. So it would be A equals pi r square, because it is the circular shape, so it would be pi r square. We know that pi equals 3.14 and r is 3, so it would be 3.14 times 3 square. That would be 28.26. Got it? Now you have to find the area of the lateral area. Lateral area is this one. Got it? So you have to find the surface area of, so it would be pi rs. You have to memorize these formulas. You have to, it is lateral area is pi rs. Pi is 3.14, r is 3, and 6 is 8. Got it? So you have to multiply them. So when you multiply them, it would be 56.52. Got it? You have to, for the surface area of the complete cone, you have to add these two areas, the area of the base and the lateral area. Got it? Okay, let's just solve the next one on the board so that you can understand the concept. Okay, the next one is, what is the surface area of the cone? Okay, the base radius is 1 and height is 3 millimeter. Okay, the radius is 1 and height is 3 millimeter. So basically the cone has two portions. One of them is this one, the base. Got it? First of all we have to find the area of base. Got it? Because it's a circular portion, so it must be pi r square. Got it? Pi is 3.14, r is 1, 1 square is 1, and it would be 3.14. Then this one, that is the, now you have to find the area of the slant, lateral area. Wait, I forgot the lateral area. We have to find the lateral area. So this is actually the lateral area, this one. Got it? You have to find the area of the lateral area. That would be pi rs. So pi is 3.14, r is 1, and pi rh, not s, it would be 3. So just calculate the values. It would be, let me just use the calculator. 3.14 times 3, it is 9.42. Got it? So now we have done with the area of both the shapes individually. Now you have to find the area of the complete shape. Got it? So for area of the cone is, you have to add both the areas. Got it? You have to add area of base and plus the lateral area. Got it? So area of base is 3.14 and the lateral area is 9.42. So just add them. It would be 3.14 plus 9.42. It would be 12.56 millimeter square. I think that would be the unit of the. Yes, that is 12.56 square millimeters. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Let's just start with the test. Okay, what is the surface area of the cylinder? Got it? You are given with the cylinder. Here we have to find the surface area of the cylinder. So you are given the height of the cylinder and the radius of the cylinder. Got it? So let's just start with the question. Okay, so you are given the radius, that is 6 inches, and the height of the cylinder, that would be 9 inches. So first we have to understand the shape. Got it? So the shape has, it is like this, and its base is also a circular. Got it? So you have to find the area of the circular portion, that would be pi r square. Got it? So it would be okay, it would be, because it is a circular shape, so the area of this portion would be A equals pi r square. Got it? Pi has the value 3.14, r is 6, so it would be 6 square. Just use the calculator and find the value. So it would be 6 times 6 is 36, and 36 times 3.14, so it is 113.04. Because on the top and bottom, they both are the circular portion. This is the top and this is the bottom, so you have to, the bottom one has the same area also. Got it? That means the area of top and area of bottom are exactly same. That would be 113.04. Got it? Now you have to find the area of the, area circumference of the circle. Got it? That would be C equals 2 pi r. So it would be 2, pi is 3.14 and r is 6. So it would be 12 times 3.14, that is 37.48. Got it? So we have to find the area of this side. Got it? It would be then A equals C circumference type height. Circumference is 37.48 and height is 9. So it would be then 37.68 times height is 9. It is 339.12. So now you are done with the area of top, area of bottom, and area of this portion also. You have to add up all the areas. Got it? To calculate the complete area. Got it? For the surface area, let me just write down here. So for the surface area, we have to add area of top, area of bottom, and the area of the side. Got it? That would be the one we just calculated. So just add 113.04 plus 113.04 and plus 339.12. Got it? So just add up all the numbers. So it would be, wait, let me just add 113.04 plus 113.04 and plus 339.12. So it would be 565.2 square inches. Got it? That is the correct option. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, what is the surface area of the cone? So we have to find it. The radius is 5 feet and the height is 8 feet. Radius is 5 feet and height is 8 feet. So you have to find the area of the cone. So the cone has a circular portion. So the area of the circular portion is pi r square. You got it? Pi has a value 3.14 and r is 5. So it would be 5 square times 3.14. Got it? 5 square is 25. So you have to do 25 times 3.14. It is 78.5. Got it? Now you have to find the area of the lateral. Got it? Lateral area, that would be the lateral area. Just calculate the area. It would be pi r h. Pi has a value 3.14, r is 5, h is 8. Just multiply them. Got it? You have to do 3.14 times 5 times 8. That would be 125.6 feet square. Got it? So for the complete area of cone, you have to add both the areas. Got it? Just add area of base and plus the lateral area. Got it? You have to do 78.5 and 125.6. Got it? So it is 78.5 plus 125.6. So that would be 204.1 feet square. Got it? The correct option is 204.1 square foot. That is the option number 1. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself. Let me just see if the next one is the area of the cylinder, because I want to do the area of the cylinder again. Let me just find the question for area of the cylinder. Otherwise, I'll find an example and we'll do the example on the board. Okay, leave it. Let's just do an example for the area of the cylinder. Got it? Because we are unable to find. Okay, you are given with the cylinder. That is, the radius is 4 meters and this one is 3 meters. Got it? So the radius of the cylinder is 4 and the height is 3. So first of all, just look at the cylinder. It has the top and bottom exactly same shapes. Got it? So you have to find the area of top and the bottom. Let's just find the area. Both area of both the top and bottom are exactly same. Got it? Because they have the same measurements. So it will be pi r square. They are the circular shapes. So area of the circular shapes is pi r square. So you have to do 3.14 times 4 and 4 square, pi r square. So it would be 50.24. That is the area of top and bottom. Got it? Top and bottom both have the same area. Okay, now we have to find the circumference of the circle. That would be c equals 2 pi r. Got it? So 2 pi r equals 2 times 3.14 times 4. That would be 25.12. Now you have to find the area of this shape, the shape that is in between the two circles. Got it? It would be then area of side is circumference times height. Circumference we just did 25.12 and height is 3. So it would be 75.36. So for the area of the complete shape, you have to add the area of the top, the area of the bottom and the area of the side as well. Got it? It would be 50.24 plus 50.24 and plus 75.36. So when you add up all the areas, it would be 175.84. Got it? So that's how you have to find the area of the cylinder. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next topic. Got it? And the next topic is the volume of the cylinders and cones. The next lesson is volume of cylinder and cones. The volume of cylinders and cones. Okay, let's just start with the first example. We are given with a cylinder. We have to find the area of the cylinder. So you are given with height and the radius. The radius is 9 and the height is 5. So for the volume you have to do pi r square h. Got it? Just use the formula pi r square h. Pi has the value 3.14, r has the value 9 and h has the value 5. So it would be 3.14 times 9 times 9 times 5. So that is 1271.7. Got it? For the area of volume of the cylinder you have to use the formula that is V equals pi r square h. Got it? Okay. Now you have the volume of the cone. Got it? So the volume of the cone is, you are given with the radius and the height. So for the volume of the cone you have to use the formula that is V equals 1 by 3 pi r square h. Got it? Just put up all the values in the formula and calculate the value. Let's start with the practice questions. Okay. Okay, what is the volume of the cone? You are given a cone, you have to find the volume. You are given the radius that is 5 millimeters and the height that is 8 millimeters. So let's just start with the radius is 5 mm and the height is 8, I think. Yes, it is 8. So whenever you have to find the volume of the cone, you have to use the formula that is V equals 1 by 3 pi r square h. Got it? Whenever you have to find the volume of the cone, just keep this important formula in your mind. You have to use the formula that is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Got it? Just put up all the values and calculate using calculator. Got it? So it would be 1 by 3, pi has the value 3.14, r is 5 square and h is 8. Got it? Just use the calculator. 5 times 5 is 25, 25 times 8 times 3.14, it is 628, and just divide all the values by 3. 628 divided by 3, so it would be 209.33. Got it? The volume of the cone is 209.33. Got it? So option number 1 is the correct option. It would be cubic millimeter. Got it? It would be 209.33 cubic millimeters. Got it? Okay, the next one is we have to find the volume of the cylinder. Got it? So whenever you have to find the volume of the cylinder, we have to use the formula that is V equals pi r square h. Got it? The values are h equals 3 yards and radius is 1 yard. Radius is 1 yards and height is 3 yards. So whenever you have to find the volume of the cylinder, you have to use the formula that is V equals pi r square h. Got it? Pi is 3.14, r is 1 and h is 3. Got it? So just use the formula to calculate the value. So it would be 3 times 3.14, that would be 227.03. Got it? Wait. No, we have to do 3.14 times 3. That would be 9.42. Got it? So the volume of the cylinder is 9.42 cubic yards. Got it? Just select the correct value and then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is the volume of the cone. So whenever we have to find the volume of the cone, we have to use the formula that is V equals 1 by 3 pi r square h. Just put up all the values. Pi is 3.14, r is 7 square and h is 10. Just use the calculator and calculate the values. So 7 square is 49. 49 times 10 times 3.14, it is 1538.6 divided by 3. 1538 divided by 3. It is 1538.6 divided by 3. It is 512.86. Got it? So just select the correct option. It would be option number 2 and then click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson, and the next lesson is the volume of spheres. Okay, the next lesson is okay. Let's start with the first example, that is, what is the volume of this sphere? So we're given with the sphere, we have to find the volume of the sphere. So the radius of the volume is given, that is 9 millimeters. So it would be V equals 4 by 3 pi r cube. Got it? Just use the formula, put up all the values. It would be 4 by 3. Pi has a fixed value, that is 3.14, and r has the value 9. So it would be 4 by 3 times 3.14 times 9 cube. So it would be 3052.08. Okay, so the next example is, we have to find the volume of the sphere. So whenever we have to find the volume of the sphere, we have to use the formula, that is V equals 4 by 3 pi r cube. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Okay, let's start with the first example. What is the volume of the sphere? So for the volume, you have to use the formula, that is V equals 4 by 3 pi r cube. Got it? So it is V equals 4 by 3 pi r cube. Just put up all the values. It would be 4 by 3, pi is 3.14, and r has the value 5 yards. Got it? So just calculate the values using calculator. So let me just use the calculator. So it is 5 times 5 times 5 is 125 times 3.14 times 4. It is 1570 divided by 3. 1570 divided by 3. So it is 523.33. Got it? So option number 2 is the correct option. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, so option number 2 is the correct option. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is, what is the volume of the sphere? So you have to use the same formula, that is V equals 4 by 3 pi r cube. So just write down the formula and put up the values. 4 by 3 pi r cube. So r has the value 10 feet. Just put up all the values. So it would be 3.14, and r has the value 10. It would be 10 cube. Got it? Just use the calculator. It would be 10 times 10 times 10, that would be 1000, and 1000 times 3.14 times 4, that is 12,560, and 12,560 divided by 3, that would be 4,118.66. Got it? So you can round off it to 4,186.67. Got it? That is option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is, what is the volume of the sphere. You are given a sphere that has the radius 1. You have to calculate the value, so use the formula that is V equals 4 by 3 pi r cube. Got it? Put up all the values in, just solve it. V equals 4 by 3 pi r cube. Got it? 4 by 3 pi is 3.14, r is 1 cube. Got it? So just multiply 4 times 3.14, 4 times 3.14 and divided by 3. Got it? 12.56 divided by 3 is 4.18. Got it? 4.186. So you can round off the answer, that would be 4.19. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is, what is the volume of the sphere? You are given the radius that is 3 feet, so use the formula that is V equals 4 by 3 pi r cube and calculate the values. V equals 4 by 3 pi r cube. It is 4 by 3, pi has the value 3.14, r has the value 3. Got it? So it would be 3 cube times 3.14. 3 cube is 3 times 3 is 9 and 9 times 3 is 27. So you have to do 27 times 3.14 times 4. That is 339.12, and then you have to divide it by 3. That would be 113.04. Got it? So option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, now for the next one, you have to calculate the values and let me know the answer. So which is the correct option? So you have to calculate the sphere. Use the formula that is V equals 4 by 3 pi r cube. So which option is the correct one? Okay, r is 9, so 9 cube is 729. Just do 729 times 3.14 times 4, 9156.24, and divide the value by 3, so it would be 3052.08. Got it? Option number 1 is the correct option. Very good. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is, what is the volume of the sphere? Okay, you have to do 4 by 3 pi r square. By 3 pi r cube. So r is 8. 8 times 8 times 8, that would be 512 times 3.14 times 4. It is 6430.72 divided by 3. That is 2143.57. Got it? So option number 2 is the correct option. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. So okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. Got it? Okay, the next lesson is the surface area of spheres. So let's just start with the next lesson, that is surface area of spheres. Okay, let's start with the first one. You have to find the surface area of the spheres. So it would be 4 by 3 The surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square. Got it? Whenever you have to find the surface area of the sphere, you have to use the formula that is 4 pi r square. Got it? Just put up all the values and calculate the values. Let's just start with the practice questions. It is 4 pi r square, the formula you have to use. Just keep these formulas in your mind, then that would be very easy for you. You have to find the surface area of the sphere. So it is, the surface area is of the sphere is 4 pi r square. Got it? Just put up all the values in the formula. 4 pi has a fixed value 3.14 and r is 1, so it would be 1 square. 1 square is 1. Just multiply, it would be 12.56 square feet. Got it? That is option number 1. 12.56 square feet is the correct option. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, what is the surface area of the sphere? So the surface area of the square is, the formula is 4 pi r square. Just use the formula, so it would be 4 pi is 3.14 and then you have r square. R is 10, so 10 square is 100. 100 times 3.14 and it would be, wait, let me just use the calculator. It would be 100 times 3.14 times 4, so that would be 1256. Got it? So option number 1 is the correct option. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is, what is the surface area of the sphere? So the surface area of the sphere is, you have to use the formula that is S equals 4 pi r cube. Four pi r square, not r cube. Got it? So it would be 4, 3.14, r is 8, so it is 8 square. So 8 square is, let me just use the calculator. So it is 64 times 3.14 times 4. So it is 803.84. Got it? 803.84. So option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is, what is the surface area of the sphere? You are given with the radius that is 9. So just calculate the value on your notebook and just let me know the answer. So which is the correct option? The formula is 4 pi r square. Got it? So 4, 9, r is 9. 9 times 9 is 81. 81 times 3.14 times 4 is, yes, it is 1017.36. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, what is the surface area of the sphere? You are given the radius that is 7. So which is the correct option? Just calculate the values in your notebook and let me know the answer. You have to use the formula that is 4 pi r square. So which is the correct option? Yes, that is 615.44. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay. Just solve the question on your notebook and let me know the answer. So you have to use 4 pi r square, that is 4.3.14 times 9, so it would be 113.04. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, what is the surface area of the sphere? use the formula that is 4 pi r square. So it would be 4 times 3.14 times 25. Got it? So that is 314 square feet. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So here is the list of the lessons we have covered today. We're working on the chapter geometric functions, and the lessons we have covered today are surface area of cylinders and cones, volume of the cylinders and cones, volume of sphere, and surface area of the sphere. Let's just do a quick review about the formulas. Got it? So first of all, we have done with the surface area of cylinder and cone. So whenever we have to find the surface area of cones, we have to add the area of top, area of bottom, and area of side. Got it? So area of the top and area of the bottom are exactly same. You can find them by using A equals pi r square. Got it? And the area of the side is, you have to do C times H. Got it? And C equals 2 pi r times H. Got it? And then for the surface area, you have to add up all the areas. Area of top plus area of bottom and plus area of side. That would be for the cone. Got it? You can note down these important things. Okay, then for cylinders, you have to find the, then for cylinders, you have to find the area of top, area of bottom, both of them equals pi r square, and then you have to find the area of, oh sorry, that would be for the cylinders, not cones. That would be for the area of cylinder, sorry. Got it? Now you have to find the area of the cones. Got it? So area of the cone, you have to find the area of the base, that is pi r square. Then you have to find the lateral area, that is pi rs. And for then the area of cone, you have to add both the areas. Got it? Area of base plus the lateral area. Got it? Just add both the areas. It will be pi r square and pi rs. Got it? Okay, then we've done the second lesson we've covered is and then the next lesson we have covered is the surface area of volume of both cylinder and cone. So how can we find the volume of cylinder? So for the volume of cylinder, what we have to do, so for the volume of cylinder, you can note down these very important formulas. I'm just doing a review for the lessons we did. So the volume of the cylinders, you have to be equals pi r square, V equals pi r square H. Got it? And then for the volume of the cone, for the volume of the cones, you have to do 1 by 3 pi r square H. Got it? Then we did the volume of the spheres. So for the volume of the spheres, we have to use the formula that is V equals 4 by 3 pi r cube. Got it? Then we did the surface area of the sphere. So the surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square. Got it? These are the formulas we have learned today. So please note them down on your notebook and memorize them so that you can use easily. Got it? Please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. If you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. We are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? That's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.